Don't forget, you may have to remove the shock absorber, because when we took it off, we had to ride it past the shock absorber. So now you're putting it in. Remember bringing it out, we just forced it and twatted it past the shocker. But you can't twat it past the shocker and screw it in at the same time. So you may have to remove the shocker. And I would suggest that you try and remove it from its bottom fitting, so that it'll pivot upwards away. It might pivot enough if you undo the bottom, but don't forget you're then on the bushes. So it'll not move so much, whereas on the top it's designed. If you do it from the manual, it's the same. So you might be able to do it from the top. The top one's probably easier to get at.
Yeah, but they both looked as fucked as each other, them both.
Yes. But you will probably, I would strongly suggest taking the shocker off, to be honest, because we had to
twat it past with hammer and chisel.
When we were getting it off, at my age or older. And it's because it's iconic to them, because you're on the border of...
I know you're listening, but nothing's going to get done that way, so just lay there.
You're on the border of half cab to Atlantis era. And the Gale's Death was such an iconic vehicle for that era. So yes, they're obviously wanting to see it done, because it's been in preservation since 1973. So they've gone 40 years of seeing it not restored. So now they're all obsessed with wanting to see it done. So if I get it done, that's what's up there with the older generation. And the likes of the Ribble Group will think we're fucking heavy. Because we've done something and, you know, we've achieved, in the eyes of NATO, you know, we've achieved an iconic fucking vehicle. As somebody emailed me and said, we realise that Gale said is the fucking most important book ever in generation.
Hiya.
Hello.
Because it fits that certain...
Yeah, but I don't really follow the Big Ten.
You do?
I don't. You look at our stats, we don't have it.
There are people that are fucking paying to it for you and stuff, and because they want to see it on the road and they want to see it restored, and look at all the comments. Don't sell it, we'll help you. Yeah, alright. There's a lot of people that say that and don't do that. That's in the bus world anyway. But there is a following for it. And your generation and Callum's generation generally love BT. Even Danny, to an extent, loves BT.
Me? I don't.
Him. You know, that's it, because that generation, the current generation of stuff, are obsessed with B10.
Well, I can be at both. I like a bit.
Yeah, it's alright going, well, it's just another B10, isn't it? Is there not another pair of them, bigger ones?
Bigger pair than
Yeah.
Stilson.
One of what?
Got a bad blue one.
You had it before.
Not in the paint booth still, is it? Because I didn't remember you carrying it out of there, to be honest. I remember you picking up the two brake chambers. I don't remember you actually carrying it out. Even that fucking wood chisel will fucking do for them. Fucking something that might open it up. Helps a bit with that side. see the thread now, so. Shit. You know what I mean? I'm just scratching the fucking rust off that. Oh, get it off. I look better about I've not put a cut in yet. You will fail, you. There's not much left of this nut now. I can't feel fucking much left if I'm not holding it on. Well, after much fighting with it, he's managed under here. He's managed to get the brake chamber back on. So, let's have a look. So in this really shit light, because we always work in crap light, what he's doing now is putting the bottom airline on. We need to source the top airline, which you can just see there is snapped. So we've got to take that off and we've got to go get another one made. And that one goes into this hole here, which you can't see because of the light. Brake chamber screws into the back of it. It took two of us because we've had to take the shock off, or loosen the shock off. So he's just trying to get that back on now with some varying degrees of intelligence. Just no.
The drive wheels dig in this rock and roll rig is a side pipe singing on the radiator while the fan belt is screaming and the bear roar out for ride. Well, you will hear it coming as she is backward going, for cruising through the tunnels and rolling into.
It's not big enough!